Welcome to Konch. In this video, we'll guide you through the transcription editor settings in our advanced editor, designed to enhance your editing experience and make customizing your transcripts seamless and efficient. To get started, you can find the editor settings located in the header at the top right corner of your screen. These settings are packed with tools to help you customize how you view and edit your transcripts, and even tailor your export preferences. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll within the settings menu to see all the available options, so be sure to explore. Now, let's take a closer look at the settings. High contrast enable this for improved readability with higher contrast on text and buttons, ideal for users who find our smooth design harder to read. Scroll help are perfect for users without a scroll wheel or those who struggle with small browser scroll bars. This feature lets you navigate easily through your transcript, section by section. Email when complete, turn this on to receive email notifications when your future transcriptions are ready. Show words for review, highlight words in red that the AI wasn't confident about, so you know exactly where to double check. Show speakers, toggle this to hide or display speaker sections in the right gutter. Compact lines, reduce line spacing by half to fit more text on your screen at once. Auto scroll, keep your transcript in sync by automatically scrolling to the current word being played. Auto stop, automatically stop audio playback whenever you click on the text. Auto show menu, make editing quicker by auto opening the menu when you click on selected text. Otherwise, you'll need to right click. Auto show comments, clicking on highlighted text can auto display associated comments, or you can use the shortcut option click for manual access. Max characters per line, max CPL, define how many characters each subtitle line should hold before breaking. This option ensures every speaker section you create is broken into its own line, adhering to the max CPL setting. With these versatile settings, Konch makes your transcription process smoother, faster, and tailored to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need further guidance. Thanks for watching.